Circuit diagrams. Well, this is the way in which we draw our design ideas for a circuit or record a circuit that we know works and we want to make sure we remember it. We draw it, and drawing it we use all the correct symbols. So here's a very simple circuit diagram which shows something that we've already done. Our cell connected by a wire to the switch, connected by a wire to the bulb, connected by a wire back to the battery. And we've explained this in the past by saying the battery is a source of electricity. It's as if the electricity can flow through our circuit, but only when the switch is closed, and that makes the circuit complete. Then the electricity can flow in the circuit in order to light up the lamp. So it's not a case of the electricity only gets this far. The electricity will not flow unless there is a complete circuit, so that switch has to be closed. So now we've got our completed circuit and the lamp would light up. The bulb of the lamp would light up. So we've done that before. Let's get rid of the symbols. And there's the completed diagram there. Same thing again. The cell, the switch, the wires connecting, and the bulb. If we wanted to do our buzzer circuit, that would look like that. Switch, cell, wires, buzzer connected the correct way around with the minus of the buzzer and the minus of the cell. And if you follow the plus round, look, the plus is there. And when the switch is closed, that plus of the buzzer ends up connected to the plus of the battery. So we know that that circuit works as well. So what if we wanted to try and do a combination of the two and say, well, I require a circuit which, when we operate the switch, it makes a bulb and a buzzer turn on at the same time. Let's give it a try. We could try and draw it with all the symbols, get all the symbols out and put them all together. Save a bit of time. Look, there it is, a possible drawing. And I've put a question mark in it because we haven't tried it out, so we don't know if it's going to work. But in theory, look, when the switch is closed, so switch closed, the electricity can then travel in the circuit as a whole and operate the lamp and operate the buzzer. Will it work? Now, we don't know until we've tried that. I think we need to know a little bit more about how circuits operate by performing little experiments like this. So you get some very strange results with this one. So it isn't quite as we expect, but every time we try a circuit, we learn a bit more about how these components do what they do, and then combine together how the overall circuit works. So in the next session, what we'll do is we'll have a look at how that transpires and turns into a real circuit.